Rody ne kadin hidona Rody hian eng product ne aman tin Avon hi alo kon la ni shitsa to ni to ka we han amari kadin hidona kalong kedi
Do the we could do anything not for having Avon new hian. Watch me now.
You think you know what I'm made of? Go ahead. Underestimate me. Put me to the test and watch me pass it with flying colours. I am the single mother who raised 2 degrees. The 50-year-old that doesn't feel a day over 30. The guy who likes makeup but had to toughen up to wear it. I may start as the underdog, but I'm the hero of my story. I am the one you didn't see coming. And now you can't look away. So go on. Underestimate me. Try me. Push me to my limits. Watch me now.
Matiang ka sod zeldone chon dan tuanin min kaila tu dang kang ai to long lam tuang shui yang sei ma se lim ten kwa wa pui le tur ni pui lo sha vel chin se eng dang kang ai to long tu dang kang ai to long dần tiếng si ar lệ chor thắp vui rong ten dài tin vô in min lao lo chuyện đã ám ta rong ten min để lo khá lắm luang khá kết chui
Hianin ati china chu ka dor china lipstick a hianin Avon hi ka mang tam em em a tuna ka man lai po hi nia lipstick hi ka du tak lo shima enge as nude lampang ani lo pon nude pink lampang hi ka mang na sa chu te ang chi chu an nei tha chuan a met dan hi a ro hlup kha om lawa moist te thau si ma se met thau si ang khani na oma anuam ka tia puthi chuan array po array thukhat viawin ka sha chuanin nail polish develop po hianin aniu lampang hi an nei tha hi ka mang na sa nangni pon mizo hin new thi kan ngai sai ka sha lipstick ti te dang nail polish ang sia ti po hianin lo hong ve ra o hon no min tiang he ka man ri ku em ni se adang chu ka ti jang lo me nga he ka mang nem de to a lo toy de tu ta chuan hi nail polish ka rong du em chu nia. Join Avon today. Be your own boss.